Welcome back now at 9:46. You don't need fireworks to make a rocket go pop. This morning, Simnola is here to show us a pop rocket and how it works, all thanks to Newton's third law. We want to welcome Rakaya Mustafa, a staff member with Simnola, and Travis Inklade, a student from Sci High, here to show us these pop rockets. How we doing? Good to see y'all.
Doing good. How you doing?
I'm doing great. All right, so here we are. During the summer, I'm sure, without school, you get bored, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you're looking for some fun stuff to do, and this is a cool experiment that anyone can really do around the house, right?
Yes.
So tell me, what do we do? What do we need?
First, what you need is of course, your safety goggles. Make sure you put those on. I know you have glasses.
Oh, I'm doubling up. There we go.
Next, what you need is your 35mm film canister.
Okay.
Half of a salsa tablet.
All right.
And a cup of water right here.
Okay.
Now that we have all of our supplies, first thing we're going to do is fill our canister with 3 quarters full of water.
You want to leave some space in there, right?
Yeah. Yes.
All right.
Next, you drop in half of your salsa tablet.
Okay.
And now you have to put the lid on really fast and make sure you put it on tight. Back up to a safe distance.
Safe distance.
Yes. Oh.
Yours is going.
Yes, mine's is going. So what's going on now is the salsa tablet is mixing with the water and a chemical reaction is occurring. And this chemical reaction produces carbon dioxide gas, and the gas is constantly building in the canister.
Yeah,
and
you can almost see it bulging a little bit, right?
Yes.
Oh, geez.
That's what happens. The more gas that builds inside, the more pressure and explosion.
So I guess I didn't secure mine. Neither of us did.
Yeah.
Don't worry, that's part of the engineering process.
Yeah, right. It's a trial and error, right?
Yes. See what you did wrong.
Yours worked well.
Yes.
That was cool. And I see you can even make a little topper for it if you want to.
You can add optional.
Decorate it a little bit.
Yes, decorations.
I like that.
With it.
All right. So what is this? While we were watching here, you were telling some of the scientific properties. What does this teach you overall?
This teaches you about Newton's third law of motion, which states every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So you see the pressure building up in the canister. Well, the opposite reaction to that was explosion.
Yeah.
Yes. And you got shocked.
Yeah, I was definitely shocked. That was one of the biggest
I was shocked
pops.
my first time too. Don't worry.
All right. Well, thanks for guiding me through this, right? And look, when you learn stuff like this, it can go a long way in your career, moving forward. I know a lot of folks are always looking for some great things for their kids to do, especially during the summer.
Yep.
Simnola, you're taking care of business.
Yes, we have many camps going on this summer. We also have our STEM Fellows who are doing their 4-week cohort this summer. We also have Rocket Day tomorrow, which you can come to the LSU Lakefront Arena and play with some cool rockets. We have different types of rockets that you can shoot off. And if you want to volunteer, you can also do that too at stemnola.com, or you can follow us on social media on Instagram and Facebook at Stemnola.
Great, it's good stuff, man. All right, so I think it would have gone higher if we didn't have a ceiling.
Yeah.
What's your record on this?
I would say almost space.
Almost space. I mean, that's where the rockets belong, right?
Yes.
Let's go to the moon. I love it. Thank you so much. I appreciate y'all. This is a lot of fun. Y'all go check it out. Maybe Rocket Day tomorrow. It sounds like a good time.
Yep.
All right.
Yes.
Come join us.
All right.